Hi everybody, welcome to the Lionsteel booth. We are at the SHOT Show 2019 and we can take a look to the new items we have for you. This is the Rock, maybe you already saw it, but finally we're delivering to the US. It comes with this box with the NFC connector, so you can have all the information about your knife and activate the warranty program. It comes with a tool. With the tool you can use them to remove the flipper, one of the Lionsteel technologies, and it comes with the rotoblock system to lock the bar and use it as a fixed blade, a solid knife, and last but not least, it has the H-wheel system. So the clip appears when you need it, when you have to put your knife in a pocket, but when you use the knife, you don't feel the clip in your hand. M390 steel, titanium body. Otherwise, there are the aluminum handle versions. And finally, the Damascus one, with the Tsar Nikos Damascus, scrambled. Then we introduced the bushcraft knife in different variation, G10, black and orange, canvas, green canvas handle, and two woods, olive and Santos woods. It comes in a leather sheet like this, very secure. The Sleipner steel stonewash blade and a flat grinded tang to start your fire. Bushcrafting is becoming more popular in our area, so this is the new member of the fixed blade family in Lionsteel. Finally, there is a new folding knife, a modernized version of a traditional knife. This one is called the Best Man, so like your best friend. It comes in different handles, natural canvas, carbon fiber, Santos wood, and ebony wood. The steel is always M390 clip blade, and then there is the variation with two blades, the clip one and the worn clip, always M390. This is the olive wood handle, but all the different handles are available in the two type of knives. So thank you very much for visiting us, for stopping to our booth, and have a nice day.